Hi again. In this tutorial we will learn how to create a hole for the neck. Well, I just need to grab this one and this circle and hit slash from the numpad to jump to the local mode. And when you do that, jump to the front view, grab this circle hit key and put it above the chest. You can jump to the item and hit 0 in the X, and let's see, maybe in the Y, hit 0. Hit Control A to apply the scale. We don't need any scale here. I think I got a problem with the, with the X. Just hit 0 to make it exactly in the center, and just rotate it, hit R and rotate it 90 degree, hold Control to snap the rotation, just like that. And from the right view, let's see, where should we take this? Hit key, and maybe we need to put it right here and rotate it a bit, just like that. And let's move it maybe right here, hit R again to rotate it. Let's jump to the front view. Let's see what we can do else here. I think everything now is correct. Let's make this piece smaller, hit S and make it small, just a bit. Control A and apply the scale. After that, select the circle, hold shift to grab this piece, tap to the edit mode. Alright, after that we just need to align the view. We need to project this circle on this piece, but if we do that, if we go to mesh and knife project and project this circle, we will get a problem. The projection will not be perfect because maybe we tilted the view a bit, and in the end of the day we're not gonna have correct and accurate result. What we can do is, I'm going to hit Control Z to ignore the operation or to undo it. I need to jump to orthographic. Just hit 5 from the numpad to jump to the orthographic, or you can go to the view and viewport. Let's see, where is it? Perspective orthographic. You can use this option right here. After you jump to the orthographic, grab any face. Maybe I need to apply the circle on these faces. So let's grab this and this one and this one, and let's align the view to these faces. So to align the view to these faces, just hit Shift 7, and now the view is aligned perfectly. After that, now you can hit A twice to deselect anything, and now you can go to mesh and knife project, and now you can select the circle, and now it could be applied perfectly on on the mesh. And as you see, yes, but when you tumble around you will see something weird. To fix that, just go to the gizmo here and hit this Z, or you can hit 7 from the numpad. That will fix the orbit issue. Alright, now after that I need to connect the vertices, so let's do that. Switch to the vertex mode, and maybe we can start maybe with this one right here. Well, grab this vertex, key twice and weld it, and maybe we can weld this one, key twice and weld this, and weld this with this vertex right there, and maybe this one, G twice and slide this too. And what else we can do here? Well, this edge I don't want it. Switch to the edge, hit number 2, grab this, and Control X to dissolve them. We don't need these faces. Grab this face and this face, can XF to delete them, and now we got this nice hole right here. Well, after that, let's grab these edges, and now I need to extrude this down. Well, before we extrude anything, if I satisfied with the result, if I hit tab and if everything is nice and correct, I can apply the mirror modifier. So maybe I need to apply it right now because now everything is cool. So let's go to mirror and hit apply, and now the mirror is applied. Alright, now I want to extrude these down, but as you see we have a tilt here. If we jump to right view, there's no straight. So what can we do in this situation? I will hit Alt and click to select this entire edge loop, and I'm going to hit F to fill this area, and after that hit Alt E but switch to face mode. I grab this big face, Alt E, and extrude along normal and extrude it down. Maybe right here just a bit. Turn off the subdivision temporarily. Alright, so we just made this extrusion. I think I need to take this back a bit. Just hit G twice and slide this new extrusion up, maybe right here, because I just need to scale this result. So hit S and scale this a bit, and again hit E and take this new result down, maybe right here. When you complete, hit X F to delete these faces. Well, now let's grab these edges, Alt click, grab these, and hold Shift, Alt, and left click here. After that, Control B for bevel, and just bevel this result, just like that. Now tap to the object mode and let's go to the subdivision and let's activate it, and let's see the result right here. Now we got something very smooth and beautiful here. Well, now everything now looks fine, but let's see what else we can do here. Well, now after that, let's go back again to subdivision surface and let's deactivate it and tap to the edit mode. Let's hit Alt click to select this entire edge loop, and let's hit F to fill this area. After you filling this area, hit 3 to jump to face, and with this big face selected, hit I for inset, and let's give it very small amount of inset. Maybe just like that. But we got some overlapping right here, we need to fix it. So we need to fix it. So hit 1 to switch to Y to vertices. Grab this edge, hit twice and slide it. Let's move this right here. I can maybe come to wireframe and slide this maybe right here. The same thing for this side. Grab this one, G twice and slide it, or maybe this one, G twice, slide this right here, and let's select this one, G twice and slide this. And I think now we are in the safe side. When you be complete, let's go back again to face mode, select this face and hit E, and let's take this up maybe right here. And when you will be satisfied with the result, hit X F to delete it. Alright, so now we got this result. Let's jump to front view and let's align these vertices. Hit 1 and grab this group, all of these. Hit S to the Z to scale into the Z, just like that, and hit 0 enter to align them. And now they are aligned. And let's grab this entire edge loop and this one, the inner one, and let's bevel them. So Control B for bevel, and let's bevel this result. Now we got nice bevel. And let's support this entire area. Control R and let's add edge loop right here. Hit E to make it even and flip the result. Hit F. And let's configure it here maybe. Well, let's see what we got here. Maybe I need to take this down more, G twice and slide it more. Right there. Now let's hit tab to object mode and let's go to subdivision surface, and now we got a very nice result right here. Alright, we're done with this piece. Actually we're not, we have more details, we need to add them here, but the small details I think I will leave them in the end. So right now we just need to focus on the big pieces. So that will do for this tutorial, and I will see you in the next one.